10 overseas Filipino workers are currently incarcerated in Brunei Darussalam. 4 of them are on death row. 2 of the imprisoned have already aged in prison.
Doon sa dalawang 70 anyos ay meron ng inahanda natin yung formal na pagsusulong na magkaroon ng early release.
They were visited by Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakaka at the Maraburong Prison Facility 1 in Brunei Darussalam during President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s state visit last week. According to the DMW, they will appeal the case of the 2 senior citizens to obtain executive clemency and secure their release. They also aim to appeal for the other Filipino on death row, seeking to have their sentence commuted to life imprisonment if release is not possible.
Doon sa dalawang umabot ng 70 anyos, and there will be an official communication on its way. At doon sa isa, doon sa aspeto ng death row, hindi lang ako makadisclose ng further details, but rest assured may pag-uusap na ang both Philippine and Bruneian side as directed by the President.
The 2 have been incarcerated since 2005 and 2016 on murder charges. One of them has had their death sentence commuted to life imprisonment. According to the Secretary, the President has issued a directive to attend to the case of our fellow citizens on death row and assist their families. The DMW provides livelihood and scholarship benefits for them under the agency's Action Fund. The government will also cover the expenses for the visits of the OFW's relatives.
Of course, doon sa aspeto ng kapakanan ng mga death row inmates, mismong si Pangulong Marcos ang nagbibigay ng direktiba sa amin na isulong yung kapakanan ng death row inmates para sila ay mailagtas mula sa death row as much as we could. Kasabay na dito yung legal assistance.
The Philippines expresses gratitude to the government of Brunei for the proper treatment of Filipinos imprisoned there. According to the DMW, there are currently 70 OFWs on death row in various countries, most of them in Malaysia and Saudi Arabia. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.